Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So today the task is pattern matching using regular expressions. So on Linux, I'm using Rock Linux. If I go to, let me ls inside a folder. So it's gonna be usr share dict for dictionary, and then linux.words. So I have this dictionary, so it has a lot of words inside. Actually, let me use the cat command, and no, actually more, because there are a lot of words inside. You see, there are a lot of words inside this dictionary, and we're gonna do a search inside. Okay, so I'm gonna clear the screen. We're gonna use the grep command, and if you don't know about it or you forgot something, we can always use the man command. So man followed by the command name. In this case, it's gonna be main grep. There are a lot of options here, as you can see. The one we're gonna use for today, it's gonna be the I, like dash I. It's for ignore case sensitive. So what that does, if I have a document and I want to search for the word, let's say home, if the document has the word home, like in capital, it will not be displayed. It will just show me in lowercase. You guys already know that, but it's just a reminder. So if I search for home dash I, so it will bring me back. It will display home and the home in capital. Okay, so let's use as an example that's the dictionary file. So the command is gonna be, we're gonna use grep minus or dash I. The word we're gonna use, it's gonna be essential between simple quotes, and then of course it's the file's path. Okay, so usr share dictionary, and it's gonna be linux.words. Okay, so let's just type the grep, just the command for now. So there we go. There are a lot of words that contain, you see here, contain essential. And there is like this flag here. There's one, like I can search only for the words that started with the essential. That's not what we want to do it right now. So what we want to do now that we have the command, so the command is right here, grep essentials. I will press the up arrow because it's a long command. I don't want to type it again. So, and what are you gonna do? We're gonna forward the output into a file. So we're gonna type dash tmp for temp, and then we need to give it a file, a name for a file. Let's put it like dict for dictionary, and words. I'll put it like a txt, just for us to be easy identifiable, and we know it's a word. Even Linux that doesn't need the extension, like, but I would do it just for us to be easier to see it. Okay, so I'll press enter. Nothing happened, right? Why? Because we just, like I said, we are just forwarding the output for that command. We are just sending to the file. So now if I run the cat command against that file, you can see the results. So that's what we need to do for this task. We need to just use the grep command to search for a specific word inside a file, and then we just forward the output from this command into this folder. Sorry, into this file. Okay, So today's video, it's very short. So if you want to see more about the grep command, just type man grep and you can get more information. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Take care.